My brain had load shedding with immediate effect. Guys, I almost got a job. Whew, I'm telling you, my village people are ritualist. There's no other way. Almost, amper. So I'm walking around the shopping mall, and then I see a sign outside one of the shops. It says, in celebration of the Springboks World Cup final win, we are hiring 12 people. Yo, I was so excited. I walk in, I introduce myself, and they call one guy with some Kobas. He comes, he says, yeah, we are hiring, introduces himself. I introduce myself, says, I'm looking for 12 people as part of celebrating the win. We are World Cup champions. So we start talking, and I was so excited. 3 more people walk in, and they're looking for the same job, and then he takes us to the office. We get to the office, other people were already sitting there, and then he introduces us to the other candidates. There were 4 white people, 4 black people, 2 coloreds, and 1 Indian guy. And we just start talking about the rugby. He asked us, where did you guys watch the rugby? We tell him, what team were you supporting? Obviously, I'm a Pogo, the Springboks. And do you know the score? We tell him it's 12-11, South Africa won. And then he says, okay, because the score is 12-11. If you get this job, you're going to be paid 12,000 rands a month. I saw all my problems walking away from me. I saw all my troubles leaving me. And I was so excited. I was so happy. 12,000 rands. I was even, in my head, I was even starting to practice my new walk. How am I going to walk? Like, I'm going to be rich. 12,000 rands. Haibo. It's a lot of money. And then he asked, how many World Cups has the Springboks won? We're like, 4. And we're definitely going to get the 5th one after 4 years when we get to Australia. And we're just having a good time. And I was so excited. I was like, this is the South Africa we want. This is the Rainbow Nation that Nelson Mandela was talking about. Nelson Mandela must be smiling in his grave to see us so united as a South Africa. This is exactly what we want. It's such a nice South Africa that I like for everyone. We are so united. We're such a nice nation. So we start making jokes. Hey, South Africa, we beat France by 1 point. We beat England by 1 point. We beat New Zealand by 1 point, just to prove a point. And then he says, okay, all of you will get the job under one condition. 10 of your phones, put them away, and gives us pieces of paper and pens. He says, write 10 Springbok players. Yo, guys, my brain had load shedding with immediate effect. I started thinking. I look around me, the white people are just writing, quick writing. I look, the other colored guys are writing. The Indian guy and I, we look at each other. I was like, I mean, I've been watching rugby from the first game, and I've been following and supporting the guys. I know the answer. So I start writing. Number 1, Sia. Number 2, Kolisi. Number 3, Bongi. Number 4, Bonambi. Number 5, Elizabeth. Number 6. And then I could remember that number 6 is de Klerk, but I couldn't remember whether it's FW de Klerk or just F de Klerk, so I just put de Klerk. After that, I just went blank. I don't know what happened. I forgot absolutely everything. I'm like, I've been following these guys. I could not remember, guys. Until the time was up, he took the papers. South Africa. After that, I don't know. I think I had a blackout or what happened, but I don't know. I don't know what happened after that. My brain just went blank. Yeah, South Africa. As I tell you this story, the 4 white guys start work on Monday. One of the colored guys will also start work on Monday. He will be working there as a cleaner because he got 7 out of the 10 answers correct. Yeah, Springbok is not make sure. I don't even know whether to blame racism, witchcraft, or load shedding. But I have to blame something. Yo! Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.